Which day is celebrated as Bashir Day? 5th July. Which is the birthplace of Bashir? Talayola in Vaikam Taluk, Kottayam district. Who are the parents of Vaikam Muhammad Bashir? Father Kai Abdurrahman Sahib, mother Kunyatuma. Who are the brothers and sisters of Bashir? Abdul Qadir, Patuma, Hanifa, Anuma, Abu Bakr. In which year was Bashir born? 21st January 1908. What is the real name of Vaikam Muhammad Bashir? Kochu Muhammad. In which Malayalam era was Bashir born? 8th Magaram 1083. In which year Bashir got married? In 1958. Who is the wife of Bashir? Fabi Bashir. Who are the children of Bashir? Shahina and Anis. How was Bashir called by his wife and children? Tata. Who is known as the Sultan in Malayalam? Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir is also known as Bepur Sultan. Who called him Sultan? Bashir himself called him Sultan. When did Vaikam Muhammad Bashir die? 5th July 1994. In which district does Bepur situate? Kozhikode. Which is the first literary work of Bashir? Premalekhanam, published in 1942. Who acted the role Bashir in the film Madilugal? Mammootty. A tree highly influenced Bashir's life and literature. Which was that tree? Mangosteen. What was Bashir's pen name he used in his early literary works? Prabha. Which is the only Balasahitya Kriti wrought by Bashir? Sarpayajnam. Which is the only drama written by Bashir? Kathabijam. Which is the most impressed song for Vaikam Muhammad Bashir? Soja Rajakumari. Who wrote the autobiography Bashirinte Ediye? Fabi Bashir. In which struggle did Bashir take part along with Gandhiji? Uppu Satyagraham at Kozhikode. Which is the autobiography book written by Bashir? Ormayude Aragal. Which major national movement inspired Bashir during his school days? Vaikam Satyagraha. Which is widely considered as Bashir's first published short story? Answer: Ende Thangam. Which novel features a domestic setting centered around a pet animal and family comedy? Answer: Pathumayude Aadu. Which novel depicts a romance between two prison inmates separated by a high wall? Answer: Madilugal. From which book is the famous quote "Velichathinu velicham" taken? Answer: Nduppupakkoranundarnu.